or to my channel. In today's video, I have 2 easy and fun dessert recipes for you. First recipe is a banana split, and the second one are sweet crepes. These desserts are so fun for summer. They're easy to make and your kids will love them. They're great recipes to get your kids involved in the kitchen and be creative. I know I love these recipes. They're filled with fruit, they're colorful, and they taste delicious. So let's get into the video. So first up is the banana split. I'm starting out by slicing 1 strawberry into thin slices. Next, I'm taking 1 ripe banana and slicing it gently down the middle. I'm using this soy milk vanilla ice cream that I got from Trader Joe's. This ice cream is so rich and creamy, I truly recommend getting it. Now's the time to add your toppings. I'm adding some fresh sliced strawberries. I'm also adding chocolate syrup and coconut flakes. I'm using this Simply Hershey's chocolate syrup. I like it because it has very few ingredients and is made with all natural stuff. I'm also topping it with these dairy-free Enjoy Life chocolate chips and this dairy-free Cool Whip that I found at Target. This stuff is really good and it only has 1 gram of sugar. This was a very fun, sweet treat to make. You gotta give it a try. It's the perfect recipe for summer. Next up are the sweet crepes. I'm starting off by adding 1 cup of oat flour, 1½ cups of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a dash of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm just whisking it all together. You can even put this in a blender if you like. And now I'm just adding a small amount of coconut oil to a pan, and I'm going to let it get hot. Don't add too much, otherwise it'll burn. Just pour about a 1/2 cup onto the pan, and then make sure you swirl it around so it can spread out. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until it's golden brown. For the almond butter Nutella, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of almond butter, a 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of agave or pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of almond milk, a pinch of sea salt, and 1 drop of vanilla extract. If it's too thick, then add more almond milk. I added 1 more tablespoon of almond milk, so 2 in total. Now I'm adding the Cool Whip and the Nutella down the middle of the crepe, and I'm also adding some strawberries. I'm adding more Nutella and some chocolate syrup and some more strawberries. And there you have it, a delicious sweet crepe. These are so fun to make. You can always get creative and switch it up and add more things. You can do this in different styles. You can even do a savory crepe. You can't go wrong with the crepe. So I hope you enjoyed these recipes. As you can see, they're very simple to make. If you make any of these recipes, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Twitter or on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.